The door chain is equipped with a built-in anti-theft system to improve the safety in use. It can help identify the caller before the door is fully released, to protect us from outside dangers. It's made of high-quality durable stainless steel, long working life are guaranteed. The narrow design means that it can fit any type and size of doors at the same time. The chain is quick and easy locking, engaged and released by use of push button on the key. It will automatically restrict door opening when engaged and retracts automatically.